So I'm behind the scenes with Mr. I Do Cars. We have a 2004 Cadillac Escalade that was in an accident, and we are going to be rebuilding this front end, so stay tuned, and I will share more behind the scenes.
That's correct.
So if you follow my husband's YouTube, you will see what we've been rebuilding in this Escalade that had an accident. So I helped him to put on the, the fender, the front bumper, put in the fog lights, put the hood back on, put in the coolant reservoir, all of the brackets. Maybe you could tell them a little bit about this.
Yeah, it was just everything on the right front corner was damaged. Okay. Not the core support. We were able to reuse that. So just the bumper, fender, hood, replace headlights and grill, different air box.
And he'll have to go back to his shop to get some parts that are missing.
Yep. It's not a huge deal. You can put this fender liner in tonight.
But it's been really fun to see what he does in some of his videos. This is different than his engine teardowns, but it's fun to be able to do this without the kids running around. They're over at his parents' house, so we just have, it's starting to look like an Escalade now.
Yeah, I think we did a pretty good job. Did a good job.
All right, so he had to go to the shop to get a few parts, and so we cleaned out the, what do you call that again?
The AC condenser.
The AC condenser, and then we have the new grill on, and...
Oh, that's just a radiator cover.
Okay, radiator cover. We got the hood on, which I think you saw earlier, and what else are you doing?
I have to do the driver's side exhaust manifold has a broken exhaust bolt, so that's a lot of fun. All the fun. I have to extract that.
Got the headlights in.
Yeah, and then I have to do upper ball joints and rear brakes and normal 200,000 mile truck stuff. It's fine. I like it.
Overall, I'd say I had a pretty good time spending time with my husband in the garage today, because we don't ever get to do this. So it was really nice to do a project together and to see it be apart and be put together. It was a good time, and I would love to do this again. If you'd like to see another project, let me know in the comments. And on his channel, he has the full breakdown of exactly what we did. It was just hard for me to, I guess, record at the same time as him because I'm helping him, and maybe I will learn a little bit more how to do that, how to film while he's filming, and I've never done a video like this before, so just thought it'd be fun to do something different. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know, and thank you for watching. Bye.